Hello friends, welcome to our channel Review Expo. Today's video is for those friends who are willing to purchase a garment steamer and confused to purchase which brand. So in this video I am going to cover regarding best garment steamers in India. So let's start the video. Before starting the video, let me give you a quick glance regarding types of garment steamers in the market. There are two types of garment steamers in the market. One is portable garment steamer and the other is professional garment steamer. I will explain you the difference between these two garment steamers. Portable garment steamer. As the name suggests, it's a lightweight garment steamer. It can be carried at any place and ideal for household and business personalities. The compact size and easy use of this garment steamer make it the most used steamer in the world. Professional garment steamer. These garment steamers are larger and are more powerful than portable ones. It has two thermostats which allow the steamer to heat quickly. These steamers are ideal for heavy fabric materials. Cobra Iron Fabric Steamer. It has 200 ml of tank capacity. It is ideal for removing wrinkles, deep cleaning, sterilization, etc. This is a multi-purpose steamer which is ideal for facial and fabric cleaning. You can also carry this steamer easily. This product is available on Amazon and rated 4.4. Shopier Steamer. The power consumption of this steamer is 600 watts. This can also be used for facial steaming too, and it has a tank capacity of 200 ml. This product is available on Amazon as well as on Flipkart and rated 4.2 on Amazon, 3.6 on Flipkart. Black Plus Decker Handheld Portable Garment Steamer. The power consumption of this steamer is 1500 watts. It has a tank capacity of 260 ml. This has 5 adjustable steam settings for different materials. This product has 2 years warranty and rated 3.9 on Amazon, 3 on Flipkart. Shopper World Handheld Fabric Steamer. It comes with a tank capacity of 200 ml and the steamer is ideal for home and travel. The steam produced is powerful and consistent. This product is available on Amazon as well as on Flipkart and rated 3.9 on Amazon. Rossmann Garment Steamer. Consumes power of 2400 watts. It has a tank capacity of 2.5 liters. It comes with a heat insulated steam pipe to prevent the burning of hand. And also this product has low water warning with a auto stop and beep sound. This product has 1 year warranty and available on Amazon and rated 3.8. Philips EasyTouch Plus Garment Steamer. Power consumption of this steamer is 1600 watts. It has a tank capacity of 1.6 liters. It comes with 5 steam settings for different types of materials. It has 25% large steam plate that covers more surface area of the garment. This steamer also kills 99.9% of germs present on the garment. This product has a warranty of 2 years and this product is available on Amazon as well as on Flipkart and rated 3.7 on Amazon, 4.1 on Flipkart. Inelsa Vapor Max Garment Steamer. The energy consumption of this product is 800 watts and has a tank capacity of 200 ml. It removes 99% of wrinkles from the cloth. This product has 2 years warranty and rated 3.7 on Amazon and 3.9 on Flipkart. Inelsa Garment Steamer Handy Steam. The energy consumption of this product is 600 watts and has a tank capacity of 120 ml. The heating time of the steamer is less than 1 minute and this product has 2 years warranty and available on Amazon as well as on Flipkart and rated 3.6 on Amazon, 4.2 on Flipkart. Orbit Garment Steamer. It comes with a tank capacity of 1.7 liters. The steamer heat up time is 38 seconds, which is very fast. This product has 1 year warranty and rated 3.6 on Amazon, 3.2 on Flipkart. Philips Handheld Garment Steamer. The power consumption of this steamer is 1200 watts. It has a tank capacity of 70 ml. This product also has an automatic continuous steam feature. This product has 2 years warranty and rated 3.5 on Amazon, 3.8 on Flipkart. I hope our video is helpful to purchase the best garment steamer in India. For more interesting updates, please subscribe to our channel. To know more about the products, please visit our website. Our website link is in the description. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. If you have any suggestions, please comment below. I will be back with a new topic very soon. Thank you.